Now we're going to learn the days of the week. Are you ready? Great! How do you feel about the days of the week in Spanish? Do you feel pretty comfortable? Do you feel like you need a little help? Or do you not know them at all and you need to start from the bottom up? Again, this is a place for you to kind of rate yourself so that you can see yourself grow throughout the lesson. So now we need to know that by the end of this lesson, you should be able to say the days of the week. You should be able to ask somebody what day is it, and you should be able to answer that question as well. The days of the week in Spanish are not capitalized unless they're, of course, at the beginning of a sentence. To ask what day is today, we would say, ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿Qué día es hoy? Now, I want you to give it a try. I'm going to say it one more time, and I want you to repeat. ¿Qué día es hoy? Very good. Let's do it one more time. ¿Qué día es hoy? Excellent. So now let's learn those days of the week so that you can answer the question. In Spanish-speaking countries, the first day of the week is Monday, and the last day of the week is Sunday. Now, you may be wondering, why am I telling you? You probably feel the same way, especially if you work. You go to work generally on Monday, and then the last day would be Sunday. Here's why you need to know this. If you buy a calendar in a Spanish-speaking country, the first day that you're going to see is lunes, or an L for lunes. That's Monday. When you buy a calendar, at least here in the United States, the first day that shows up is Sunday. So you have to kind of make a little bit of a switch if you're working with an actual printed calendar, or if you're working with a digital calendar, in case you have to look and see where is the Monday and where is the Sunday. Does that make sense? Awesome. So with that in mind, let's start with the first day of the week. Lunes. Lunes. That's Monday. Lunes. Now you say it. Good. Lunes. Now, martes. Martes. You say it. Martes. That's Tuesday. Miércoles. Miércoles. You say it. Miércoles. That's right. Miércoles has an accent over the E. That's why we say miércoles. Miércoles. Good. That's Wednesday. Jueves. Jueves. Your turn. That's correct. Jueves is Thursday. Viernes. Viernes. Your turn. That's correct. Viernes. That's Friday. Now, sábado. Sábado. Your turn. Yes, sábado is Saturday. Again, that accent, that written accent, it tells us where to put the emphasis. That's why we say sábado. Correct. Domingo. Domingo. Your turn. That's right. Domingo is Sunday. The days of the week are los días de la semana. Los días de la semana. Días are days. Semana is week. Sábado y domingo, Saturday and Sunday, is what we call el fin de semana. El fin de semana. El fin means the end, and you already know that semana means week. So it's the end of the week. You're right, the weekend. So let's try to say those together. Los días de la semana. Good, one more time. Los días de la semana. Good. El fin de semana. El fin de semana. That's right, that's the weekend. Now, let's go ahead and go through all of the days of the week, and you repeat after me. I'm gonna say the day, you repeat it, I'll move on to the next one, you repeat it. Okay? Here we go. Lunes. Martes. Miércoles. Jueves. Viernes. sábado, domingo, los días de la semana, el fin de semana. Great. So now let's look at this question here. ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿Qué día es hoy? What day is today? ¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy means today. Remember that H is, yes, that H is silent. ¿Qué día es hoy? What day is today? To answer this, you're going to say hoy es, and then you're going to add the day of the week. Hoy es, and then add the day of the week. Let's suppose you're watching this on a Wednesday, okay? Wednesday. ¿Qué día es hoy? How would you answer that? ¿Qué día es hoy? Yes, hoy es miércoles. Hoy es miércoles. Good. Now, ¿qué día es mañana? ¿Qué día es mañana? What day is tomorrow? Alternatively, you could say, ¿qué día será mañana? ¿Qué día será mañana? What day would it be tomorrow? Mañana es jueves. Mañana es jueves. Or, mañana será jueves. Mañana será jueves. Mañana es jueves. Tomorrow is Thursday. Or mañana será jueves. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Now, let's talk about the word ayer. Ayer. Yesterday. Ayer. ¿Qué día fue ayer? ¿Qué día fue ayer? What day was yesterday? Ayer fue martes. Ayer fue martes. So let's review that vocabulary a little bit here. ¿Qué día es hoy? What day is today? Hoy es plus the day of the week. Today is and the day of the week. ¿Qué día es mañana? Or ¿qué día será mañana? What day is tomorrow? What day will be tomorrow? Your answer could be mañana es and the day of the week. Mañana será and the day of the week. Tomorrow is or tomorrow will be and the day of the week. ¿Qué día fue ayer? ¿Qué día fue ayer? What day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? And your answer would be ayer fue and the day of the week. Ayer fue and the day of the week. So let's check in and find out, how do you feel about the days of the week in Spanish? Are you feeling pretty comfortable? Do you need a little extra help? Or do you need to review a lot? Again, remember, just to check in with you to find out if you need to rewatch the video, take more notes, or if you're ready to move on to the next section. So now you should be able to talk about the days of the week. You should even be able to answer a few questions like what day is today, what day was yesterday, what day is tomorrow. You also know how to say the week, the day, and the weekend. Now remember, if you need to practice a little more, this video is here for you to rewatch as many times as you need to. Otherwise, we can move on.